Hello, friend Mormo here. Today we're doing a sales page review of a product called Changio, and it's from somebody I really trust and respect. So I imagine it's probably a pretty good product, but we're going to look at the sales page and I'll give you my full opinion on it. So let's take a look now. Okay, friends, so here we are. It says edit practically any web page on the internet without needing to know how to code. Simple to use, but super powerful. A must-have for anyone working online. They had an awesome video. I already watched it. And then it says see the demo, get Changio. It's got buttons right on the video. They must be using some kind of awesome software. Powerful, edit virtually any web page on the internet with ease, even pages you don't own. Effective, save time and money by not having to hire a developer. Simple, no coding or experience required. So easy to use, anyone can do it. Only 27, get it now, price increase. Hey, Brett here, the creator of Changio. Back when I was one of the top-rated freelance software developers online, I made a lot of money doing updates and changes for website owners. Well, this was great for me. I wanted to create an easy way for people to update, edit, change, and use any website on the internet without needing to know how to code. And after tons of work and testing, Changio was born. Changio is so simple to use, there are only 3 easy steps. And almost every sales page says this. It's so easy, only 3 steps. I never trust this. Like, this is kind of a red flag for me, but I know the guys who put this out, so I'm guessing it actually is a good product. And that's the thing with these kind of sales pages, is you have to make them a certain way if you want to sell them. If you want people to buy them, you have to make these promises. Oh, it's so simple, a moron could use it, and it's just 3 easy steps. Push a button, bing, you're rich. Like, they all got this 3 easy step thing. So enter in practically any website URL. Customize, use the easy to understand page editor to change the pages you need. You can edit text, images, colors, fonts, layouts, videos, and more. You can even add new elements to the page. So this could be cool if I could, like, take a page and then put one of my videos on it. I could see that being useful. In fact, this very page was created by taking a sales page from another product and Changioing it. Publish. After saving your changes, you can then publish the updated to your live site. Use our provided page hosting or download your new page as a file. It's up to you. Oh, excuse me. But you can even have multiple versions of your page that you activate or deactivate for split testing. So that's one thing I really like about this product, is that it comes with hosting, because I hate paying for hosting. I hate all the monthly payments and everything that sometimes are necessary with internet marketing, but this comes with its own hosting, and that's real nice. With Changio, even the most technically challenged user can be like a professional site developer. Changio puts you in control. How can you use Changio? Editing pages, create pages, split testing, look like a pro, get better results, freelancers. Comes with a 14-day unconditional money back guarantee, and sometimes those can't be trusted. I'm going through that right now with the bunk product I bought, and they're like, oh, we'll give you a... First they said no, you should upgrade. And I said, no, I don't want to upgrade. I don't like the product. And then they replied back, oh, well, we'll notify you in 3 days and refund you in 3 days. So they're probably hoping I forget. So anyways, that's the sales page so far. Let me go back to video here real quick. Okay, friends, so Changio is going to be available March 9th at 10 a.m. I don't have an affiliate link. I'm not really into affiliate marketing all that much. I'm more of a product creator, and I like creating products and stuff. So you'll have to find your affiliate link through somebody else and find somebody who's giving away some great bonuses and stuff, and go through someone else. What I like about this product is that it's from Mike from Maine and Brett Ritucky, who I know are both very trustworthy, very top-notch, A-plus marketers, and so I would really trust anything they put out. And it seems like a cool thing. Like, I always want landing pages and web pages and stuff, and so it's something where, like, because it's kind of scary for me to put affiliate links on YouTube. So with this, you could copy a page, put your own affiliate links on it, your own videos or whatever, and then link to that page instead of putting an affiliate link in. And also, if you're like writing on Medium, it's sketchy to put in affiliate links, or if you're writing on Quora, it's just not never a good idea to really put a direct affiliate link anywhere, in my opinion, except for maybe email. But this way you can create landing pages and stuff, and send traffic to them rather than just a bare affiliate link. So I really like that about this product, and like, it comes with self-hosting, which is great. Hosting is included, and that's like a huge benefit. That way you don't have to spend money monthly to pay for hosting and worry about that, so that's a huge benefit. Overall, I think this is a cool product. I'd probably have to look into it a little more. I noticed there was a demo. You could see a demo on the sales page, and so I didn't watch the demo yet, but if you watch the demo, you can see the software in action. And but overall, this looks really good. Like I say, I don't have an affiliate link. I do have a link in the description, though, that'll take you to my website, and I'm giving away an awesome training movie for free. You just enter your email, and then I'll email you a screener link to this free movie that's really awesome. It'll help you with your online business and stuff. So definitely click the link in the description to check out my website, and do that. And there's some other stuff on my website you can look at. So definitely click the link in the description, and thanks so much for watching. Also, please thumbs up, please comment, please subscribe, please ring the bell, and please click the link in the description to check out my website. And thanks so much for watching.